The top Discover Pro model has a generous set of standard features but no mechanical switches. Its high-resolution display measures around 23 centimeters. Its images are razor-sharp. Discover Pro operation is especially innovative due to gesture control. Its proximity sensors detect a person's hand. You can scroll through your albums with the ease of a simple hand motion, without even touching the screen, and quickly find the right song. Or the next travel destination. With intelligent voice control. You might say an address, for instance, and the infotainment system does the rest.